Today's video is all about an exciting opportunity in Northern Ireland. Care homes and agencies actively hiring care workers and assistants and support staff, and they are offering visa sponsorship. If you have been dreaming for a fresh start in a beautiful country, then this is your chance. Let's dive into everything that you need to know about this amazing opportunity. Hi travelers, welcome back to Easy Travel with Olakemi. On this channel, we explore global opportunities for work, for study and relocation abroad. If it's your first time here, let me know in the comments where you're watching from and I'll give you a warm welcome. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Today's video is all about an exciting opportunity in Northern Ireland. Care homes and agencies are actively hiring care workers and assistants from overseas. They're also offering visa sponsorship. Whether you are experienced in caregiving or you have a passion to help others, then this opportunity is for you. Now, let's talk about why this program stand out. The first one is the care home will cover your steward visa fee, making the process financially stress-free. And the second one is relocation support. Many employers assist with flight, accommodation, and settle-in costs. And the third one is the family-friendly benefit. You can bring your spouse and your children along with you. Your kids will enjoy the education, and also your entire family will have access to the free NHS healthcare. Healthcare jobs in Northern Ireland are in high demand, meaning that your application could be processed faster compared to other visa routes. So if you've been looking for a way to move abroad, gain meaningful work experience, and possibly bring your family along with you, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video to the very end for step-by-step process guidance on how to apply for this amazing opportunity. Northern Ireland is a welcoming community and affordable cost of living, unlike cities like London's where living expenses are sky high. Northern Ireland offer a balance of modern amenities and small-time charm. And the amazing part is that the healthcare and the education system are excellent. And also the work-life balance is one of the best things in the UK. Plus, with a rich history and culture, you will never run out of places to explore if you want to explore the country. Now, let's talk about the available roles. The positions currently in demand include the healthcare workers, care assistants, and support workers. This role involves assisting people with daily activities, providing companionship. No matter your background, if you are compassionate and willing to learn, you are already a great fit for this amazing opportunity. The best part is many of these positions doesn't require formal health qualification. As long as you're committed to the role and you meet the visa requirements, you are eligible to apply. Here is where it gets exciting. This care home and agency, they are not just helping you, they are not just offering you a job, they're also helping you to move. They will cover your visa sponsorship, your skilled work visa skills will also be covered, and they will also support the relocation expenses, including your flight and accommodation in some cases. They will also guide you through the entire visa application process to make it much easier and faster to relocate. And once you are in the Northern Ireland, you will also have access to training programs to help you settle in your new role and grow in your career. And if you are planning to relocate with your family, there is another good news. With the skilled worker visa, you can bring your dependent with you. This includes your spouse, your children. Your children can access free education and your family will benefit from the free healthcare under the NHS. So let's head over to my screen now so I can show you how to make this happen. I will make sure to give you the full gist of an opportunity before I dive into the application process. So if you appreciate that, let me know in the comment section and type Olakemi, you're doing well. So guys, let's head over to my screen. So guys, this is the site and I'm going to be sharing with you a few couple of sites that will help you to secure a job in Northern Ireland so that you can apply for the visa and enjoy these benefits. They offer jobs opportunity, including the visa sponsorship for care workers. Some of them also, they're like an agent that can help you search for job in Northern Ireland or anywhere part of the world. Basically care jobs. So stay with me as I walk you through the site that I have here, where you can successfully apply for sponsorship jobs in Northern Ireland. And don't forget that the link of this website, I'm going to be putting it in the description of this video, so make sure to check it out. So guys, the first site I'm going to share with you is the Four Seasons Healthcare Group, and this site is one of the largest healthcare home provider in the UK and including in Northern Ireland as well. So they often hiring for various healthcare homes, and I want you to come on this site, search for the jobs you're looking for. The site is so easy to navigate, and then what you want to do is to come here, click on all jobs. If you click on all jobs, it will bring out list of the jobs available on this site. And as of now that I'm shooting this video, they have up to 87 jobs available on this site. What you need to do is to look for care job, and which there is one here, there is care assistant here. I will just take you roughly through the job description and the job role so that you can know what is included, because as I said, that it's not necessary that you have an experience before you can apply for this job, and it is well mentioned on their website as well, and I want to show it to you. We are currently recruiting for a care assistant, and experience isn't essential. If you would like to work in healthcare and social care and deliver the support and care our residents require, this role is perfect for you. One of the largest healthcare provider in the UK, it's important to use the couple great care with meaningful and enjoyable experience. We offer you a great range of benefits, which include, these are the benefits you enjoy if you get this job. And also there is one thing, yeah, if you propose this quality or work in a retail, supermarket, warehouse, or other customer facing environment, then no experience of working as a care assistant is necessary. We provide you with excellent learning, a development, and support opportunities to equip you with the knowledge and skills to make a real difference in the role. So as I said, that you don't need the experience to apply for this job. If you've worked in a supermarket, a warehouse, you've worked in a retail industry before, you can apply for this job. So, and they have, this is not just the only job they have here, they have more jobs related to this role. So I want you to come here and make your search and apply directly. And one thing you can also do is to register, create a profile, and turn on the job alert so that whenever they drop new jobs as well, you can be notified. I know definitely applying for jobs is not something that comes so easy, but then we need to put in work and make sure we get it. So 2024 is coming to an end, and we are heading towards 2025. That dream has to keep going. We are not getting tired in 2025. We have to go stronger. That is the spirit I want you to have, guys. So now let's go to the next site. So another site I'm going to share with you guys is the care assistant job. And this site specifically focus on care assistant position, including those in Northern Ireland with visa sponsorship. Come here and search for jobs. You can also select your region. That will help narrow down to which city you want to look for job. So I think this is a great site, guys. You can also upload your CV. The benefit of uploading your CV is like you sign up into the site and create a login details, upload your CV so that the jobs that are here, you can easily, apply to this job faster. So now let's go to another site. I have a lot of sites to share with you guys, and I want you to really stay tuned. I want you to take action on this site. I want you to apply. It's not just watching the video without making any efforts. I want you to apply and make your relocation dream come to reality this time. So the next site I'm going to share with you guys is Domus Recruiter. And this site is like an agency that work with an home care across the UK and also in Northern Ireland for recruiting care workers. So if you come on this site, you can send them an email. They can help you search for jobs. They're actually a recruiter in the UK, well known in the UK and Northern Ireland. And also you can also get jobs on their sites, because if you come here, you can see the list of jobs also available on the site. If you come here, you can enter your job search and put in your location, your contract type, if it's full-time, part-time, temporary, make your search and apply. And other thing is that you can also message them, send them an email, because they are recruiter. They can also help you look for job in Northern Ireland or in the UK. And the next site I'm going to share with you is the Retain Healthcare. On this site, they offer care worker job listing, including a role in Northern Ireland with visa sponsorship. Looking for a career in care, we are seeking nurses, healthcare assistants, and support workers to join our team. Please submit your details below to apply. So you can click here to put in your name, your phone number, your email address, area of work, and let us know what area you're interested in and what skills or experience you have, and submit your details. So if you submit your details, they will get back to you, because right now they're actively seeking for nurses, healthcare assistants, and support workers to join their team. So if you're interested, please don't hesitate to send them your details and they will get back to you. So guys, the next site I'm going to share with you is the Barchester Healthcare, and this is an amazing site as well. Barchester Healthcare has a care home in Northern Ireland, and also they offer jobs role with visa sponsorship opportunity for international candidates. So I want you to come to their career site and apply for jobs on this site. So if you come to their sites, they have specialized the role in which it makes it easy for you to apply. If you want to apply for nursing, you come to this section. If you want to apply for care, career, home opportunities, care development. So let's see what they have in a care career. We can click on here to search for roles under that job title, and they have care assistant, and which this job was posted 30th December 2025 and 2024. This was posted 30th December 2024 and it will expire 29 January 2025. So guys, there are a lot of jobs available on the site. I won't lie to you, and I want you to come here to come and make your search. So let's click on it to read about the details and see what they have for us. As a care assistant with a Barchester care home, you will help residents enjoy each day by making sure they get the quality care and support they deserve. You assist with daily living, providing support and companionship, and sharing great moments and memories too. It is a chance to bring your dedication and compassion to fulfilling environment. Every day will be different, so you can expect to undertake work that as varied as the rewarding. As a care assistant, you can be doing anything from supporting residents with their food and drink and following care plans to ensure that each of our residents has one-to-one time. It is an opportunity to put your skills to meaningful use and develop your career. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity. As I said, they are not just looking for people who have experience, because if you are just that person that you care for others, you like to be around people, you care for others, then this job is something you should take. This is just a job that you will just be around people, give them support, and they watch out for their meals, their food, their mental health and everything. And you're not just doing it alone. There are a lot of packaging or a lot of the work that you'll be getting in return for your dedication. You will receive a competitive rate of pay plus our sector's leading benefit and reward package, including free training and development for all role, access to well-being and support tools, a range of retail discount and saving, unlimited referral with our referral of friend bonus scheme, employment of the month reward and long service reward, and so much. So guys, I don't want to say much about this because you've seen it yourself that this company, they mean business. Like, they want people to come and work with them, and if you're interested, please take the chance and apply for this job. And there are many more jobs like this on their site, which I cannot even read everything. See, there are more, and if you click on next, still it will bring out more jobs. So I need you to come here and look at the jobs and apply accordingly. So, and also they will continue to upload more jobs on this site. Even if you didn't find the job that suits you right now, keep checking the sites, as they usually upload more vacancies on this site. And the next site I'm going to share with you is the Recruitment. They offer worker jobs listing, including roles in Northern Ireland and also sponsorship. And once you come here, they also have jobs you can apply. You can also reach out to them if you actually want them to help you to search for jobs in Northern Ireland or in the UK. So guys, if you come here, there are many jobs, as I said, on this site. So I want you to come here and search for the jobs and apply immediately, because there are many jobs here and there will be more jobs uploading on this site. And also, if you got questions, if there is any site that offers great opportunities in the UK or in the Northern Ireland that I've not added on this list, please drop it in the comment section. I would love to check it out and see the opportunities available on that site. So guys, these are the job sites that I have for you that is currently hiring right now, and also they can also support you with your job hunting. If there is any question at all that you feel you want, that's bothering your mind, or you don't understand, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be happy to help and I'll be happy to respond to your comments. This is once in a lifetime opportunity to move to UK quickly and without the huge financial burden. Working in the care sector is not only rewarding, guys, also it opens doors to long-term residence option in the UK. If you have been dreaming of starting a new life in Europe, well, this could be the easiest and the fastest way to make it happen. Don't wait, start preparing the application now and take the first step towards a brighter future. If you found this video helpful, give give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones and family who might benefit from this amazing opportunity. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Travel with Olakemi. If you have any question, drop it down in the comments. I'll be there to respond. Until next, guys, keep exploring and I will see you in the next video. Bye.